Good morning to all of you. It is related to finance. Nowadays, finance plays a very important role in every activity, whether it is economic activity or non-economic activity. Lot of vibrancy is there in the field of finance. Lot of disruptions are taking place in finance. If you will go through the newspapers, we find that digitalized currency the government of India is thinking to introduce. So digitalization is forming a very important role. It is already there, a digitalized currency all over the world, which is misused also. Earlier, it was the cash transactions, but cash transactions have stopped because of demonetization, and the e-transactions have started. So in a finance, sometimes it has been also stated that financial engineering. So whether it is a digitalization or electronic money transfer or electronic money transactions, that is again a technology which is being used in the finance, and that will create a revolution in the field of finance. Earlier there were bookkeeping, actual books were recorded for financial transaction. Now there is a software or many softwares to record the transaction. The moment a transaction is entered in the software, it automatically creates the trial balance, the profit and loss account, and the balance sheet. So one entry into Tally, every moment, whenever we enter that transaction, we are in a position to get these all results, that is the profit and loss account and the balance sheet and the trial balance, everything we get. The returns are also developed by that software, may it be for indirect taxes or may it be for the direct taxes. So technology is there in a finance, in a taxation. In so many economic transactions, we are finding this digitalization. So we are hoping that development in finance by way of digitalization, that will benefit to the mankind and the nation. Thank you.